Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Mazda and this one is a Mazda RX8. The casting is by Matchbox. And before we start the review, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like my videos, leave a comment, share it with your friends. So, first thing first, this is a new casting for 2023. As you can see here, 2022 metal came out in 2023, and it's a 2004 Mazda RX8 by Matchbox. It's in metallic black kind of color, so it's not the solid black. You can see the flakes in it, and if I'm not wrong, there is another color, but I haven't seen yet. It might be red, I guess. So, starting from the front. Again, Matchbox has done a good job for a mainline car. It has got detailed headlamp. You got the Mazda badge up front. You can see the design in the hood, which is kind of, close to what there is inside the hood. A rotary engine, which was shaped like this. So, yeah, it was from the era where Mazda had all those smiling grills. So you can see it here. You can also see the fog lamps up front. These are not painted. You can see here with the fog lamps, but these are not painted. You can see a little spoiler or slip lip spoiler down there too. Nice details. Now coming to the driver's side, we have seen this wheels on a lot of different Matchbox cars, and again, these are decent wheels. I would have loved if these were not chrome, because I don't think Mazda RX8 came with chrome wheels. But again, still looks decent. Those 5-spoke wheel design is kind of, you can say, evergreen. Looks good on almost every casting. If you notice, there are 2 doors here, but only 1 door handle. And the reason being, the main door, which you can see the bigger one with the rear view mirror and everything, that's the main door, and the other one was a suicide door. So once you open this one, only then you can open the rear one, this one. And that's the reason the size difference too. Like, I don't think a lot of cars come with this way, but I have seen some trucks with this kind of door setup. The other thing you can notice is the fuel filler cap here. So again, details, some grill fins here. You can get details. Also, if you adjust it like this, you can see the sunroof from the top. And the reason was, if you see the rear window, it's quite big when viewed from this angle. That was a kind of unique feature on that. It was more of a coupe, so that's why it follows that line. It was a stylish car back then, very different, not very reliable though. Slightly flared wheel arches, you can see front and back. Let's move to the back. Again, good details. You can see the detailed tail lamp. You can see the Mazda badges there, the RX8 badges there. Also the stoplight. See, the stoplight is there. Twin exhaust. Number plate is there, but no number like right now. So you can do that. And even the rear grille, like diffuser, looks good. And even the exhaust tip is like, you can see the twin exhaust tip, and if you want you can detail it too to look nice. Now moving to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference being that the driver's side had the fuel filler cap. The interior is done in grey. No major details there, but you can see it's all there. So overall, for a mainline, it has got really nice details, and Matchbox has been doing a good job. So yeah, I won't take any points out of this, because you get detailed headlamp, and there are small things which you can touch up, like fog lamp, and if you want you can paint the door handle silver, maybe exhaust tip, but otherwise it's a really good casting. And if you are like Mazda fan, go get it. and you will like the casting. Even if you're not a Mazda fan, this is a nice casting to be added to the collection. Well, that's what I think. Let me know what do you think. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.